Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on the Czech River development. We are out in Mamme Bay, and there you can see they've built a pond, and it looks like they have a palm tree in the middle of the pond. Very, very nice. Okay, so this development is 740 acres, and it's being done by China Harbour Engineering Company. This is phase 1, and their development is going to have 5 or 6 phases. As you can see, they're moving at lightning speed with this development. Now, with all that's happening in western Jamaica, a lot of people are trying to get somewhere to rent, and Mamme Bay is right on the northern coastal highway, probably an hour and a half from Montego Bay, and so locations like this are ideal. The Hurricane Melissa came through and did severe damage to Montego Bay. The infrastructure in Montego Bay is down. No electricity. Not sure if they've gotten back cable service or water as yet, but the government is working on it, and hopefully within the next few weeks it will get back to normal. But in the interim, people are trying to find places to rent so that they can weather the storm, basically. And this land that we're looking at now, this is where future sections of the development will be built. Alright guys, we're just giving you an update to show you what's going on. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Have a good day.